Hello, good evening students. Yesterday we were studying about the adjectives, degrees of comparison. What we studied in degrees of comparison? We had done comparison of adjectives in three forms: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. Now here it is told that complete the following table given below. Right. We have to complete the table which is given over here. 12 examples are given and this 12 examples we have to write down. Comparative degree of positive degree is given, already adjectives in positive degree is given. We have to write down answers of adjectives in comparative degree and superlative degree. Now here it is given, the first example which is given here is of question number 1. Complete the table given below. Complete the table given below. Now in this sentences three degrees are given. Okay, positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, now here first one I am writing here is positive degree, comparative degree and the third one is superlative degree. Third one is which? Superlative degree. Now we have to write down answers in all three. Now in positive degree first one is already done: kind, kinder, kindest. Can you see here? Kind, kinder, kindest. Now second one is big. So answer of big, B-I-G, big. What is answer of big in comparative degree? Bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. And in superlative degree it will be biggest, bigger, biggest. Understood? Big, bigger, biggest. Now third example which is given here is happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now in comparative degree what it will become? Happier, H-A-P-P-I-E-R, happier. And in superlative degree it will become happiest. I told you in comparative degree we have to add ER and in superlative degree we have to add EST. Have you understood or not? Next. Fourth one is strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. In comparative degree we have to add what? ER. So what it will become? Strong, stronger. And in superlative degree it becomes strongest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Okay. After that is fifth one, dip, D-E-E-P, dip. In comparative degree it will become dipper. It will become what? Dipper. We have to add ER. And in superlative degree it will become deepest. What it will become in superlative degree? It will become deepest. Sixth one is wonderful. Now I have told you there are some words which we cannot write by adding, we cannot change them into comparative degree by adding ER and we cannot change them into superlative degree by adding IST, I-E-S-T, okay, or EST. Now here what is wonderful? Can we say what wonderful? Wonderfuler, wonderfulest? No, we cannot say that. So what we can do it here is wonderful, more wonderful and most wonderful. So what will be our comparative degree word? More wonderful, more wonderful, and in superlative degree it will become most wonderful. What it will become in superlative degree? It will become most wonderful. Understood? Next word which is given here is little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. So the word in comparative degree for little is less, little, less and least. I told you, I have already told you yesterday that there are some degrees of comparisons they are totally different in all three forms. In positive it is different, comparative it is different, and in superlative also it is different. So this is that one. In all 3 degrees letters words are different, little, less and least. Okay, are you able to see? Can you see properly? Yes. These are 7 examples. After that, 8th example which is given in the book is colorful. Have you got it all this? I will send you on WhatsApp group answers. You can write down answers from WhatsApp group. Here it is. 8th one, colorful, more colorful, more colorful. You cannot say colorful, colorfuler, colorfulest. No. Colorful, more colorful, most colorful. Most colorful. 9th one example which is given here is dry. D-R-Y, dry. Dry, drier, E-R and driest. Okay. After that is difficult. What is given? Difficult. What will be what will be comparative degree of difficult? You can say our difficulter, difficultest. It is most difficultest. No. What we say? It is more difficult for me. Correct? So, more difficult and most difficult. More difficult and most difficult. After that is 11th example, dangerous. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. And last one, simple, simpler, simplest. Simpler, simplest. Okay, not simpler, simpler, simplest. ER we have to add only. So 11th example is given is dangerous. More dangerous. And most dangerous. Most dangerous. After that is 12th one, simple, simple, simpler and simplest. Simple, simpler, simplest. In this way we have studied how many examples? We have studied 12 examples. Now after that there is one question, question number 2nd. Fill in the blanks with adjectives in brackets using the correct degrees of comparison. The world's dash peak is in Himalaya. The world's which peak? The world's highest. So what will come? Superlative degree word will come. Okay. Which word will come? Superlative degree. You have understood this. Anyways, I am going to send you this photo. Okay. World's highest mountain peak. So first answer is highest, in superlative degree it is. Okay. Second one, he is dash than Karan as a batsman. Now what will come? When comparison is done between two people, that time we are using which degree? We are using comparative degree. Then what we can write down? He is better than Karan as a batsman. Better. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Comparison is done between two nouns. When comparison is done between two nouns, that time we use comparative degree. Next one, Dilip is clever, but his young sister Deepa is intelligent. This will remain as it is. Dilip is clever, but his young sister Deepa is intelligent. The same words will come over as it is, it will come. Next one, 4th one, he runs fast and he wants to be the dash sprinter in school. What will come here then? Which sprinter in the school? He want to be the fastest spin. 4th one, he wanted to be the fastest sprinter in school. He wanted to be which type of sprinter? He want to be fastest sprinter in the class or in school. Fifth one, he was dash of those who took part in the lottery because he won the first prize. He was the luckiest of those who took part in the lottery. Luckiest. What will be the fifth answer? Luckiest. Luckiest. In Delhi it is very cold. It is very hot in summer and very cold in summer. So this will be positive degree. Hot. It is very hot in summer and cold in winter. Hot and cold. As it is, you have to write down. Okay. Seventh one. This is a dash of all knives in the kitchen. This is the sharpest. EST. SHARPEST. Sharpest. Knife. This is the sharpest of all the knives in the kitchen. Next one, eighth one. These shoes are tight than that pair. Is tight or tighter? More tight. Tighter, tightest? No. What you have to write down here? These shoes are more tight. Are what? These shoes are more tight. Are more tight. Tight, tighter, tightest. More tight. The dash, the road, the more traffic it can hold. The broader the road, broader, BROADER, the broader the road, the more traffic it can hold. Next one is Neha is the dash of all the children. Naughtiest. Last answer is what? Naughtiest. NAUGHTIEST. Neha is the naughtiest of all children. In this way, we have completed question number 1 and question number 2 of this lesson. I think so this lesson is over. Yes, right, this lesson is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Anyways, in tomorrow's period, I will explain you once again what is positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, thank you.